Correct the wrong statements. Write down the corrected ones. The moon revolves around the sun. Wrong. The moon revolves around the earth. On a full moon day, the moon, the sun, and the earth are positioned in this sequence. Wrong. On a full moon day, the sun, the earth, and the moon are positioned in this sequence. The revolutionary orbits of the earth and the moon are in the same plane. Wrong. The revolutionary orbits of the earth and the moon are not in the same plane. The moon's revolutionary orbit makes an angle of about 5 degrees with that of the earth. In one revolution of the moon, its orbit intersects the earth's orbit only once. Wrong. In one revolution of the moon, its orbit intersects the earth's orbit twice. It is alright to observe solar eclipse without protecting the eyes. Wrong. It is necessary to view the sun disk through dark glasses or through special goggles made for that purpose. Otherwise, the intense light of the sun can be harmful to the naked eye. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is in the perigee position. Wrong. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is in the apogee position. Select the correct option. Solar eclipse. Diagrams are given in 3 options. Only one option is correct. Option B is correct. The shape of sun disk at the time of annular solar eclipse. Diagrams are given in 3 options. Only one option is correct. Option B diagram is correct. Apogee position of the moon. Option A diagram is correct. Complete the following table. Answers are given directly to you. You have to draw this table, and in the table you have tried the questions. Details: phase of the moon. Lunar eclipse dash full moon day. Solar eclipse new moon day. Details: sequence: lunar eclipse, moon, earth, sun. Solar eclipse dash earth, moon, sun. Details: types of eclipses: lunar eclipse dash total and partial. Solar eclipse dash total, partial, and annular. Details: maximum duration of the total eclipse. Lunar eclipse 107 minutes. Solar eclipse dash 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Draw and label the diagrams. Total and partial solar eclipse. You have to draw the diagram of total and partial solar eclipse in this way, and you have to label it. Total and partial lunar eclipse. Draw the diagram of total and partial lunar eclipse in this way. Label it. Answer the following. Why do the sun, the moon, and the earth not lie in one and the same line on every full moon and new moon day? The orbital path of the earth and that of the moon are not in the same plane. The moon's revolutionary orbit makes an angle of about 5 degrees with that of the earth. As a result, the sun, the moon, and the earth do not lie in one and the same line on every full moon and new moon day. When total solar eclipse occurs, why is partial eclipse also seen from the earth? On a new moon day, if the sun, the moon, and the earth fall in one line and are in the same plane, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. This shadow is of 2 types. The central portion of the shadow is darker and periphery is light. In the area where the dark shadow falls, the sun becomes completely invisible. Such an area experiences a total solar eclipse. However, during the same period, at the places where the shadow is lighter, the sun disk appears partially covered. Such an area experiences partial solar eclipse. Thus, when a total solar eclipse occurs, a partial eclipse is also seen from the Earth. Suggest measures that can be taken to eradicate the superstitions related to the eclipse. The following measures can be taken to eradicate superstition related to eclipses are: use of media to create awareness, parental guidance to help think logically, teachers' guidance to help students develop a scientific outlook, campaigns, public meetings, and lectures, especially in rural areas, to eradicate superstitions. What precautions should we take while observing a solar eclipse? While observing a solar eclipse, it is necessary to view the sun disk through dark glasses or special goggles made for that purpose. Otherwise, the intense light of the sun can be harmful to the naked eye. What types of solar eclipses will occur in perigee condition? Total and partial solar eclipse will occur in perigee condition. Use your brain power. On the day of solar eclipse, in which part of the earth will it not be seen? Solar eclipse will not be seen where there is night. Can we see total and annular solar eclipses on the same occasion? No, total and annular solar eclipses cannot be seen on the same occasion. Why is an annular lunar eclipse not seen? An annular lunar eclipse cannot be seen because the size of the earth is bigger than that of the moon. As compared to the sun, the moon is close to the earth. Therefore, it is not possible that a dark shadow of the earth is cast in space and does not reach the moon. Which eclipses will you see from the moon? Solar eclipses can be seen from the moon. Why are solar eclipses caused by the other planets not seen from the earth? A solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth and all of them are in the same plane and fall in one line on a new moon day. Similarly, when Venus and Mercury come in between the earth and the sun, they make a small speck against the surface of the sun as they too far away. The other planets have orbits outside the earth's and cannot fall in line between the earth and the sun. Hence, the solar eclipse caused by other planets are not seen from the earth.